In this video, we are going to show what happens when the mechanical plumbing or electrical holes have to be recut. And in this certain scenario, a framer has framed over the holes, so the subcontractor has to cut through thicker uh, framing now. So the ground frame and then also the framing with the plywood that you can see there. So this process is a lot more intensive, requires power tools, may also be prone to injuries since a lot of times the new framing will have nails. So the subcontractor or the labor worker here has to take the time to remove these nails. And if they miss a nail and they use the power tool to cut through the thicker framing here, it usually can result in injury such as a laceration on the face or the hands. So this process also takes about 3 times longer to cut the mechanical plumbing and electrical hole. And what we are selling here is a product that would alleviate this issue by allowing a placeholder to be in place with the initial floorboard when they cut the mechanical plumbing and electrical holes in. That placeholder would mean that the framer would build around the mechanical plumbing and electrical hole, and thus there would be no rework in this scenario. No need to recut the mechanical plumbing and electrical holes here. So what you just saw was a process that took a little over 3 minutes to recut an MPE hole. And this MPE hole could have been cut earlier on, and a PVC pipe could have went in there. And what could have happened in this scenario is the PVC pipe was removed and the framers did not uh, uh, respect the hole already being there and built over it. Or what could have also happened here is the MPE hole could have been marked with spray paint, but the framers either missed it or the same thing did not respect the marking there, and so they built over it. And our product here would reduce this amount of rework, which we can estimate up to 25% of jobs of new builds will have this amount of rework. So if you can imagine a new build that has 1,000 holes and 25% of them have to be reworked, 250 holes times 3 minutes is quite a long amount of time that can be avoided using our placeholder device. Thank you for watching.